Before use, check outlet valve status. First, remove the back panel. Second, take out the outlet pipe. The most important to make sure the outlet valve is off horizontal position. The antifreeze liquid just to the top of copper pipe. Put in the empty mold. Cover the lid. Plug in, screen and setting button lights on. Press running button and the machine starts cooling. Popsicle sticks into the stick holder. When the temperature drops to around -10 degrees centigrade, fruit slices and etc. When the temperature drops to around -20 degrees centigrade, prepared mix. Then put in the stick holder and cover lid. Wait about 5 minutes to open the lid, check when all popsicles freezing fine, take out the mold. And put in water around 30 degrees centigrade, to demold.